class. I just wanted to make a quick video that kind of covers one of the homework problems in particular for chapter 1. Um, Basically, this problem in the homework is one approach to our learning objective 3, which looks at external users of financial information. So hopefully by doing an example problem here, you'll be able to go back and do the same on your own homework. Okay, so the sample problem that we're looking at is it says you invest $10,000 in a security that promises a return of 3% a year for 5 years, after which it will mature. What is the total cash flow you expect to receive from this investment over the 5 years, and then also when those 5 years are over? So this investment, since it matures, and we'll get into securities way later on in this class, but with this $10,000 being invested, since the security matures, the $10,000 is expected to be received back after the end of the 5 years. So that's going to come back. That's a cash flow at the end of the 5 years. But we're also earning interest on this investment at a rate of 3% a year. Okay, so let's first figure out how much cash flow will be generated just from interest. Okay, so we first want to figure out how much interest will be generated in 1 year on that $10,000. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is in your calculator, you can enter it as 3% if you have the percentage sign, or you can enter it as 0.03. So we want to multiply 3% by $10,000, and that gives us $300. So that's $300 a year in interest. But how many years is this investment? It's 5 years. Okay, so we take that $300 a year and we multiply it by 5 years. Okay, and what's 300 times 5? That gives us $1,500 in total interest. But we can't say, okay, $1,500, that's the cash flow coming in. Remember, at the end of year 5, you also have the $10,000 of the return of investment. So it's the $10,000 plus the $1,500 over those 5 years for a total of $11,500 of total cash flow. Okay, so that's basically the gist of that problem and how you would work that out. I wouldn't worry too much about this problem. We're going to get deeper into calculating interest a little bit later on in this class. So this, for some reason, this kind of problem was kind of added in prematurely into that chapter, but it's a pretty straightforward problem in that we're not having to deal with compound interest or anything like that. Okay, so good luck with the rest of your homework, and we'll talk soon.